Alright guys, today I want to show you how to change oil in a 2014 Honda CRV EX. Alright, so what you want to do now is there's a cover down here at the bottom. So you want to take that off, and there's just 4 screws right here. Alright, now that you got the cover off here, you can see is the drain plug is right here, and then the oil filter is right here. Okay, and then I have my number 17 socket right here that I'm going to use on there, and then I'm going to use a small extension to get it off. After getting the drain plug out, then you can drain all your oil. So it's basically almost done. So we'll let it sit here and drain. Then we'll get the filter off that's up there. I'm probably just going to use my hands or pliers because I can try and use the oil filter I have, but it took 11/16 to get the bolt off, and I had to use this wrench to get it off. It was so tight. So it's slowly coming to an end here. Alright, I'm gonna put the drain plug back in. It's basically done. If I can get it up in there. Got it back in there. So hand tighten this first, but then I want to get the oil filter off. So we're gonna. Oh, that's 10 times easier than the plug. And I use this oil filter wrench. I think I got it at AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts, something like that. Let that drain. I went and got Vaseline oil, 0820, full synthetic, and I got this Honda filter. And what you want to make sure you do though is get a little oil, just put it on here. Just get it lubricated a bit, and then we can throw it on there. I'll tighten it up with the wrench. Then we can tighten everything up and be good to go and put brand new oil in this car. After everything's tightened and put back up there, we can put the cover back on. Well, I'm probably gonna dump oil in first just to make sure there's no leaks, and then put the cover back on, go from there. So I'm putting the cover back on, and then all it is a Phillips screwdriver. Let me get the other one. Now that it's all done, let's get the car off the ramps, and then we will check the levels on the top, and there wasn't any leaking, so we're good to go. Alright, cars are off the ramps, got it on an even surface. Now we're gonna add and keep double checking to make sure we have it corrected and to the right filling point. So I'll keep double checking this and making sure it's got 4.2, something like that. Alright, we got it all filled up, and we got it marked in between the 2 little holes. I don't know if you can see it, but good to go. Start it back up and go for a drive, and should be good to go. And then also make sure you recycle your oil. I have this, I made a mess, but I'll clean it up. And then also don't forget to do the whole reset light in your car. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Take it easy, subscribe, like. Hopefully you like this video and it's informative. So catch you on the next one. Bye.